Gene therapy is rapidly emerging as a revolutionary approach in healthcare, offering potential cures for complicated diseases like HIV and sickle cell disease. In Uganda, the Joint Clinical Research Center is at the forefront of exploring this cutting-edge technology. According to Dr. Cissy Kityo, Uganda is collaborating with developed nations under the Global Gene Therapy Initiative, ensuring that the country remains engaged in the latest advancement in healthcare. While gene therapy has potential in treating many diseases, including cancer, Uganda is currently focusing its research efforts on HIV and sickle cell disease.
We have systematic follow-up of clinical trials that we do. We go from phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. And right now we are at the level of phase 1. When should we expect to have a product in the public sector? Will depend on when we start. We have not even started phase 1 trials here. And there are many different products that are coming out, that are being developed. So I think actually what we need to do is to start now.
The Science, Technology and Innovation Secretariat believes that such breakthroughs in medical technology can significantly boost the country's overall development.
STIOP under the pathogen economy, we've worked on vaccines that we are now taking into the clinical trials. We've worked on drugs. So that support at STIOP is able to support research and development, and that's how we shall be able to get out of the laboratories and get onto the market.
The Uganda National Council for Science and Technology is working on regulatory frameworks to oversee the ethical and safe implementation of these new technologies.
We have developed the gene editing guidelines. The gene editing guidelines is actually the core document that guides the new technologies such as gene therapy. That guideline has been thoroughly developed. We have had input from our lawyers, and also we have discussed briefly with African Union, and what we have now been told to do is to make sure that we submit it to the biosafety clearing house.
And so no research work will go on gene therapy in Uganda without regulatory approvals. And so that is why the regulatory bodies are very much involved in what we plan to do, and so that they are prepared and ready to review our proposals and then monitor the work as we do it.
Uganda has an estimated 1.4 million people living with HIV and 400,000 with sickle cell disease, making the exploration of gene therapy not just a scientific pursuit, but a national health priority. I'm Nafka Farida and Diana Kuti.